Well, guys, it is monthly maintenance time. I haven't had her running for 2-3 days now. So as you can see, I usually keep her running at all times, and that's the ink from purges. But we're gonna get into this printer today and get some monthly maintenance done. I'll show you guys what I do, and we'll see how well we can get her running and get some printing. Ready, guys? So one other thing before we get started, we are going to change here and clean out here. So we'll change the ink pad and clean out here, but she doesn't look too bad anyway. But giving you guys a good look over before we get started. You ready, guys? Let's begin. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you. We're gonna move this out of the way. So the first thing we want to do is get all the ink out of here, get this all cleaned up, and then we're gonna get this off. And I'll show you how I do it. If you guys have an easier way, that's fine. But this is basically just gonna be a routine of monthly maintenance and getting her ready to print, because I have an order I need to do. So I'll show you what I would do. I haven't ran this in a couple days, hasn't been powered on, so I'm sure the print head's not going to be the print head nozzle check's not going to be clear. So I'm just giving you guys a look, and we're going to knock this out. So first things first, you'll see these 2 screws here. You want to get those 2 screws out of there, and then we'll get this off. This gets a little messy, so wear some gloves for sure. So I changed this roughly every 3 months, and all it is a felt piece of fabric. You could probably technically buy this and cut it yourself. Magnetic screwdrivers also comes in handy in this situation for doing this, in case you drop a screw. There's a little tool, the magnetic wand. So get those 2 screws out, and then and you can just take this right out with the plate. You see the plate, you see the little piece of felt. And don't worry about cleaning this out. This is 30-40 cents. You can buy this type of felt from Amazon and probably cut this yourself, or you can order this from Refinecolor. And don't worry about rinsing this out and everything, just change it. Get that out of there. Put that off to the side, and you can see how messy that is in there. So I might speed through this, but we're gonna get this cleaned out. But you basically just want to try to get some paper towels, and I use 99% alcohol, but I'll clean that off, speed it up, slow it down if I need to. see how messy it is down in there. Look at that. Ugh. Grimy. Real messy. I'll pull that out. Look at that. All that ink. Yeah. That's trash. Let's see, it's more. So we'll get that other paper towel down there and get the rest of that stuff up. Patience is a virtue, guys. Let's see, it's here. I can grab it now. Kind of pull it through. And I'll push it back down in there. And there's a little piece of elastic. Not elastic, but there's a spring here, so watch the spring. Make sure it gets under. See that spring right there? Get it under the spring. Wear the gloves, because this job gets messy. See what that looks like. We can get this one out of here. There's another one. See, that doesn't look too bad. That's going to be fine. I'm not going to keep going down in there and getting that out of there, but you can see that's good. It's just nothing pulled up. I'll give this another once over wipe down in all these areas, just to get it mixed to make sure we don't have any excess ink. And you know, this is as much as a perfectionist I get, but I think she looks pretty good. Get down in here again. And then I'll also clean this off, the wiper blade, this holder for the wiper blade. Clean that off. And there you have it. She's good to go. So now we can change the wiper blade.